How to reset your BET365 login password. So let's get started. First of all, in your device, open up BET365.com in any web browser that you prefer from the search bar. Once you get to official web page of BET365, now to change the account in case you forgot the password, first of all, we have to get it to sign in page. So for that, navigate to top right corner and then click on this login button. A drop down box will pop up which will ask you to log into your account. But since we want to reset our password, click on this link that says having trouble logging in. From here, you have to enter your username. Once you enter your username, click on next. And on the next page, make sure you have entered the correct email address. After that, there you will get an option to get the reset code. Click on it. After that, you will receive a code in your email account that you have accessed or provided in BET365. After that, go back and check Gmail from BET365. There you'll have a code. Simply copy the code and then come back to BET365 and paste it on the text box. Once you're verified, now you get to create a new password. So create a new password and confirm your password, and with that click on OK. After that, your account password has been set, and come back to BET365 and now log in with your new password that you have created recently. So that's how you can reset BET365 password, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.